Hold on. Good morning, everyone, or good evening, or good night, or whatever time you're watching this video. I'm going to be doing something a little different today, but not that different. I am going to be experimenting something, which is what I usually do, but it's not the usual fitness video or skincare videos. This is something completely different. It is an experiment on my hair. I am going to try this popular natural heatless hair curling method. No heat, no damage. We love that. Now this trend has been trending for like the longest time ever, and I've always wanted to do it, but I never really got to that. But now I can finally do it, so I'm going to do it and share the results with you guys, because I've been seeing so many girls on TikTok and YouTube doing this no heat curly hair method, and I was like, wait a minute, how does it look that good? Because honey, even after using a hair curler on my hair, like after curling my hair, it doesn't even look half as good as the girls on TikTok who's been doing this no heat curly hair method. Is that even the right thing to say? Yeah, like curling hair method, whatever you call it. So you know what, in this video I'm going to be doing exactly that. I'm going to be curling my hair without any heat. So I basically got everything I need. I got this band over here, a clip, and 2 scrunchies or hair ties. You could literally use anything you want. Now I got this set off of Shein only for $5, so that was a good one. A good purchase, a good investment, if this actually works. If you're interested, I would link it in the description box below. Go check it out if you want. Now there are other methods to do this. You don't really have to have this particular one to do the no heat curly hair thing. You could literally use a sock or a scarf or something like that. You don't really have to have this, but like it's only $5, so why not? You could do it with anything that looks exactly like this. And with basic hair ties, you don't really need scrunchies, but like these scrunchies are silk, and so is this band, which is actually really good for your hair. Gets rid of dry hair, frizzy hair, makes your hair soft. Silk is really good for your hair. So yeah. Okay, so first I am going to shower. As you can see, oh, my hair right now looks crazy. This is what my hair looks right now. I have not been taking care of my hair for a while now. Not actually a while, my last bath, because I was in a hurry and I had to curl my hair, and then I put my hair in a bun, and this is what it looks like. I literally look like Jungly Billy. Like I look like Mowgli. Okay, so you know what, first I'm going to comb this out, and then I'm going to apply my hair mask and then take a shower. So let's go comb my hair first. This is going to be difficult to comb out because and it's also really dirty. It's like my day 4 hair, day 3 or day 4, I don't remember, but yeah, one of those. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like right now. I'm just gonna oil it and then take a shower. So I'm done with my roots. Now I'm gonna do my ends, and then I'm gonna wait for about 15 minutes and then go take a shower. Don't even ask me why I'm doing my hair in the kitchen. Most of my light bulbs are out in my room, so I have nowhere else to film. And I don't want to take my ring light out because it's too much work. Work smart, not hard. I'm just kidding. Both of them applies. Also, when you're combing your hair and you have like a lot of tangles, always start like combing from the bottom, like hold it like this and then comb. Don't ever start from the top first, because that's going to cause you to actually lose a lot of hair fall. Don't do that. Start from the bottom and then work it through up. Work your way up. Yeah, that's what I meant. Okay, so I'm done with oiling my hair. I'm gonna wait 15 minutes and then go take a shower and then put this thing on. Okay, so as you can see, I just got off the shower and my head is wrapped around this microfiber towel. So I'm just gonna wait for my hair to dry a little bit. I don't wanna curl my hair with the entire thing with soaking wet hair. So I'm just gonna have this on for about 20 to 30 minutes, let it dry a little bit, and then I'm gonna start with the whole heatless curling method. So okay, you guys, so I'm finally ready to do it. So I got everything that I need, especially this one over here. So let's do this. Okay, so first I'm just going to comb my hair to get rid of any tangles so it would be perfect when I'm doing the curly hair method. So yeah, get rid of all of those tangles. Okay, let's do this. So I'm just gonna place this right over here and then clip this. Basically the clip is there for support. So yeah, oh god, okay. Okay, so basically you grab a 2 to 3 inch piece of hair from the edge and tightly pull the piece back over the tie. You gotta make sure it's tight, and that's how you're gonna get those perfect curls apparently. Then you bring it underneath and add another 1 to 3 inch piece of hair and repeat, and that's basically what you do. Okay, so I'm done with one side. You want to make sure it's tight and not loose so that you get those beautiful curls. Now I've made it as tight as I could. So yeah, now moving on to the next one. And you repeat the same thing on the other side, and make sure you do it where you actually part your hair. Now I part my middle, so if you part on the side, do it to the side, but I part my middle, so I'm doing it in the middle. And yeah, that's basically it. It's not that difficult, but it's gonna be a little annoying if you have long hair. Okay, so this is how I look. Okay, so one is not the same length, but whatever. Anyways, so this is how I'm gonna bed. Of course, I'm gonna remove this. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the morning, let you guys know the results. Let's just hope for the best. Okay, good morning, you guys. I just woke up, so I look yucky and I'm exhausted because I just woke up. But anyways, let's remove this and see how it went. I haven't even brushed my teeth yet. Huh? What? These are the curls I was suffering last night for. Oh my goodness, it's so not worth it. What? It literally did nothing to my hair. I'm so disappointed. Okay, so I took my own personal time to process the entire failure, and I've come to terms with it. I don't really know what to say because I am so freaking disappointed. I really thought it would work because I saw so many videos and I did everything right. I went through the entire process again. I checked it over, make sure I'm doing the right thing, and I did everything right, and I don't know what went wrong. But I'm gonna give this another shot in a separate video, maybe with not wet hair, with dry hair, because I have seen a lot of people do it with dry hair and then they just spray water all over. So I'm gonna try that. But for now, this is what it looks like. My hair looks worse than before. My natural hair does not look like this. It just looks a little more softer, more, I don't know. This looks like, I don't know, still Mowgli. I still look like Mowgli. And this is just not what I expected. I am sort of sad. I am low-key sad because bro, last night I was suffering to sleep. Like I literally had to wake up in the middle of the night a couple of times just to fix the band, and I was like, oh wait, and then I kept tying my hair to make sure that it's all in place, make sure everything is perfect. And I woke up with so much hope in the morning. I was like, oh wait, I have this thing on my head. I gotta wake up, I gotta film the video, I gotta see how good it came out, and I can't wait to make the thumbnail. I can't wait to post it on my Instagram. And this is what happened. So yeah, I am low-key, not low-key, I'm high-key disappointed. Like, oh my goodness, what in the world is this? Like, I don't know what really went wrong. So if you're watching this video and you have tried this method, let me know what I did wrong. Maybe I will be able to change it next time because I really can't figure it out. I have been thinking for the past hour, where did I go wrong? What did I do that got me here, you know? I'm trying to be so dramatic. My hair just looks even worse now, so I'm gonna shower again today because I don't know, I just don't like how my hair looks right now. So that's about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm extremely sorry that this didn't work out as you guys must have expected it to. But yeah, this is my experience. Maybe it might work for you. That's it for this video. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, that's it for this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.